هبت نفحات أنسية فشد البلبل ألف تحية وبدا البدر الليلة.
Assalamu alaikum students of grade 9. Today we will do exercise 5.1, question number 2, part number 2. Question number 2, part number 2 is 3xy plus 2y minus 12x minus 8. If you observe the question is containing 4 terms. I have told you in previous lecture that whenever there are 4 terms and we have to factorize it, what do? We make the pairs. We will make the pairs of first 2 terms and last 2 terms. Combining the first 2 terms are 3xy plus 2y, then we will write the minus sign just like previous question. When we will take minus sign and then we write the brackets, it means minus sign has taken as common. Whenever we take minus sign common, we have to multiply the minus sign with the above term from which this minus sign has been taken common. So minus minus will be plus and minus minus will be plus. 12x plus 8. Now students, we will see what can we take common from these 2 terms. The terms are 3xy and 2y. Students, now we will see what can we take common from 3xy plus 2y. The factors of 3xy are 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y, and the factors of 2y are 2 multiplied by y. Now what we can take common is y. Similarly, we will see what can we take common from 12x and 8. 12 can be written as 3 times 4 times x. Similarly, 8 can be written as 2 times 4. What can we take common from here is 4. From 3xy and 2y we have taken common y. So writing y outside, we will be left with 3x, 3 multiplied by x, 3x written here, plus, and from this term 2y, this y is taken as common, so we are left with 2 writing here. Then minus, what has been taken here? 4. So in first term we will be left with 3x, that is written here, and here we will left with 2, we have written that 2 here. Students, now you have to observe that 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Again we have a common factor. What we will do, we will take this common factor as common. So taking common this 3x plus 2, we will be left with this y minus 4. This common factor has written common here. Now we will move toward part number 3. Part number 3 is x cube plus 3xy square minus 2x square y minus 6y cube. Again observe that we are given with 4 terms expression. Whenever we have 4 terms expression and we have to factorize it, what do? We make the pairs. Combining to make pairs, the first pair will be x cube plus 3xy square. Taking common minus sign, we will be left with minus minus plus 2x square y and minus minus plus 6y cube. Now students, we will see what can we take common from x cube and 3xy. So what we will do is, we will write x cube equals x times x and 3xy square can be written as 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. So what can we take common? X. Similarly, 2x square y can be written as 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y. Similarly, 6y cube can be written as 2 times 3 times y multiplied by y multiplied by y. So what can we take common from here? This 2 and this y. Now students, from these 2 terms we have taken common x. when x is taken common from x cube, we will be left with x multiplied by x square. When from this term we have taken common x, we will be left with 3 multiplied by y square, 3y square here, minus from these two terms we have taken common 2 and y. Writing it here, we will be left with x multiplied by x, that is x square, then sign plus, we will be left with 3 multiplied by y into y square, 3y square. Writing here. Again observe that we have a common factor x square plus 3y square and this one x square plus 3y square. So these two are common. So what we will do, we will take common x square plus 3y square from both the terms. The common factor is written here. We will be left with x minus 2y. Now these two are the factors of this expression. Moving toward part number 4. Number 4 is x square minus y square times z plus y square minus z square times x. Now this is the same question like this one, but there is an additional step. Which additional steps? We have to multiply x square with z and y square with z. When we will multiply these two terms with z, we will get two terms. Similarly, when y square will be multiplied by x and z square will be multiplied by x, we will get two terms more, and collectively they will be 4 terms. So the question will be changed like this expression. Now we will see how we will solve it. Now multiplying x square by z, we will get x square z minus y square multiplied by z, y square z plus y square multiplied by x, y square x plus multiplied by minus z square multiplied by x z square. Now students, what we have to do is we have to make the pairs, but the pairs should be like so that we can get a common factor. So to make the common factor, we have to shuffle the terms. X square z minus x z square, positive negative term, so we will write positive term. Y square x will be written x y square, then negative term minus y square z. Now from x square z and x z square, we can take common x z. Why? Because the factors of x square z are x multiplied by z, and the factors of x z square are x multiplied by z multiplied by z. So what can we take common? X and z. So taking common xz, we will be left with this x. Writing that x here, then sign minus. From this term we are left with z. Writing that z here, then sign plus. Now we will see what can we take common from x y square. X y square can be written as x multiplied by y multiplied by y, and y square z can be written as y multiplied by z. So what can we take common? Y into y, that is y square. So when y square is taken as common, we are left with x, then sign minus. When y square is taken common here, we are left with z. Writing that z here. Now students, observe that we have x minus z common factor, and xz plus y square, uncommon factor. xz plus y square, uncommon factor. Now these two are the factors of the expression given to us. Now students, we will move toward type 3. In type 3, two types of expression can be given. It can be like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Students, you have to observe that the expression given to you can be of 3 terms, and the terms will be like a square. What does a square mean? A term that can be written in the form of whole square, and in last there can be a term which can also be written as whole square, and the middle term will be like 2ab. It can be written as 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So this term can be closed as a plus b whole square. Similarly, another expression can be given with the same terms, but here the sign will be negative. So these are the terms, and that these terms can be positive or negative. Whenever there will be positive sign, it will close as a plus b whole square, and whenever there will be a negative sign, it will be closed as a minus b whole square. Now we will again see a square plus 2ab plus b square. It can be written as a whole square plus b whole square plus 2 times a times b. It can be closed as a plus b whole square. Students, now I will give you an example. Let's say we have a square 4 whole square. What can we do? We can write it as 1 plus 3 whole square. Why? Because 1 plus 3 is 4. Now applying this formula, 1 whole square plus 2 times 1 times 3 plus 3 whole square. So 1 square is 1, to 3 times 6, 6 1 times 6, plus 3 square is 9. Now 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, and 4 whole square is 16. Similarly, when expression will be a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square can be written as a whole square, b square can be written as b whole square, minus 2ab will be written as minus 2 times a times b. It can be closed as a minus b whole square. Now students, we will see how we will solve 144a square plus 24a plus 1. I would like to revise you the square. Keep it in your mind. 1 square is 1. Why? Because 1 multiplied by 1. 2 square is 2 2s are 4. 3 square is 3 3s are 9. 4 square is 4 4s are 16. 5 square is 5 5 times 25. 6 square is 6 6 times 36. 7 square is 7 7 times 49. 8 square is 8 8 times 64. Similarly, 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. So we have read that 144 equals 12 square, and a square can be written as a whole square. Similarly, 144a square can be written as these squares outside and inside 12a. Similarly, last term is 1, so it can be written as 1 whole square. Now what is plus 24a? This is the product term of the formula. It can be written as 2 into 2, how many times 24? To 12 times, and this a is the a of this term, 12a, and to 12 times 24 with a, 24a. 24a will be multiplied by this 1, so we will get 24a. It means these are the terms of the type a square plus 2ab plus b square. Writing 144a square as 12a whole square. Writing 1 as 1 whole square. This 24a is the product term of the formula. It can be written as 2 times 12a times 1, 2ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square can be closed as a plus b whole square. What is a now? 12a. What is b now? 1. It will be closed as 12a plus 1 whole square. Closed as 12a plus 1 whole square. Now in question statement we were given that to factorize, so we will write it in the form of factors. So 12a plus 1 whole square, this power square means 12a plus 1 is multiplying 2 times. स्क्वायर का मतलब होता है जो भी बेस है, बेस मीन्स ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो टर्म लिखी गई है जिसकी पावर है, स्क्वायर पावर किसकी है? 12a प्लस 1 की. सो स्क्वायर का मतलब है 12a प्लस 1 2 दफ़ा मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वो फैक्टर्स बन जाएंगे. दीज टू आर दी factors of this expression. Students, we have another question of same type, a square by b square. Observe that the first term is complete whole square. Why? Because there is a square of numerator and a square of denominator. So this term can be written in the form of whole square. This is minus 2. Minus 2 is not square of anything. It means it can be a product term. Student, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये टाइप 3 की तरह का क्वेश्चन है? टाइप 3 के क्वेश्चन में आपके पास 3 टर्म्स होंगी. सबसे पहले आपने ये देखना है कि क्या हम इसमें से कुछ कॉमन तो नहीं ले सकते. अगर हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं तो हम उसमें से कॉमन ले लेते हैं. तीनों टर्म्स में से आपने कॉमन लेना होता है. सिमिलरली हम ये देखते हैं कि अगर हम कुछ कॉमन नहीं ले सकते, उसके बाद हमने 3 टर्म्स में से 2 स्क्वेयर्स टर्म्स को ढूंढना होता है कि इस एक्सप्रेशन में से कौन सी 2 ऐसी टर्म्स हैं जो होल स्क्वेयर के फॉर्म में लिखी जा सकती हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए स्क्वेयर. ए स्क्वेयर को हमने होल स्क्वेयर में लिखा है, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं. 2ab, 2 किसी का स्क्वेयर नहीं है, a किसी का परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर नहीं है, b किसी भी टर्म का स्क्वेयर नहीं है, बट b स्क्वेयर कैन बी रिटन एज b होल स्क्वेयर. तो हमने इन 3 टर्म्स में से क्या करना था? 2 होल स्क्वेयर ढूंढने थे. वो हमने ढूंढ लिए, a स्क्वेयर एंड b स्क्वेयर. जो टर्म बच जाएगी वो प्रोडक्ट टर्म होगी a और b की. उसको आपने हमेशा कैसे लिखना होगा? +2 यहाँ से आप हमेशा लिखेंगे. अब जो आपके पास प्रोडक्ट टर्म होगी उसको आप कैसे गेस करेंगे? वो या तो 2 होगी या 4 होगी या 6 होगी, यानी कि 2 का कोई ना कोई मल्टीपल होगी, जिसमें से हम +2 फॉर्मूले का बाहर लिख सकते होंगे कॉमन लेकर, या उसके फैक्टर्स में से 2 आता होगा. उस 2 को यहाँ लिखने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट टर्म होगी वो इसकी बेस लिखी जाएगी. सो व्हाट इज द बेस हियर? a. and after a we will write the base, this one, that is inside bracket. So what is inside bracket? b. जब हम ये काम कर लेंगे यानी कि दो होल स्क्वायर्स और प्रोडक्ट टर्म ये लिख लेंगे तो हम इसको क्लोज कर देंगे. ये क्लोज कैसे होगा? दिस a साइन यहाँ से आएगा प्लस b, a प्लस b whole square. Similarly, as it is for minus, just the sign will be changed. This sign will be written a minus b whole square. Now part number 2 is a square by b square minus 2 plus b square by a square. Again we are given with 3 terms question. First of all we will see that can we take something common? No, we cannot take something as common from here. यहाँ पर a square है, न्यूमरेटर में कहीं पर भी और a square नहीं है, डिनोमिनेटर में b square है और डिनोमिनेटर में कहीं पर भी b square नहीं है, तो इसमें से हम कॉमन नहीं लेंगे. देन हम देखेंगे कि क्या ये टाइप 3 है या नहीं है. टाइप 3 में हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? 2 whole squares and their product term. दो टर्म्स को आप होल स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में लिख सकें और एक टर्म ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिसको प्लस या माइनस के साथ आप 2 और साथ में ये a और ये b लिख सकें. क्या हम a स्क्वायर बाय b स्क्वायर को होल स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? सिमिलरली b स्क्वायर बाय a स्क्वायर को होल स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. यस, इट कैन बी रिटन a by b whole square and b by a whole square. Now we will write this term. So it is minus 2. What is a? This term. So we will write it a by b and b by a. Students, observe that this term is missing here. Why this term is missing here? Because this a is cancelled with this a and this b is cancelled with this b. So after cancellation this term is missing here, but actually it is present. So a whole square plus b whole square plus or minus 2ab minus 2ab is closed as a minus b whole square. Now compare what was a here, a by b. What is b here? b by a. लाजमी नहीं है कि आपके पास हमेशा a या b हो, कोई भी टर्म्स हो सकती हैं. आपने कंपेयर करना है. a की जगह पर यहाँ पर क्या है? a by b. b की जगह पर यहाँ पर क्या है? b by a. So ये क्लोज कैसे होगा? a by b minus b by a whole square.